Welcome to Mac Volkswagen TV.
At Mac Volkswagen, we like to have fun.
This is Joe Hergert with Mac Volkswagen.
In this video, we're going to show you some tips and hints on Apple navigation and Google navigation. We're using a 2022 Volkswagen ID4 to show you these tips on. But these tips will work for pretty much any car that has Apple CarPlay.
Here we are at Apple CarPlay. Let's do our maps. So here's our Apple Maps. If your Volkswagen ID4 has navigation, you can go to the Volkswagen here. We're out of Apple CarPlay now. Take us back to Volkswagen. You can use Volkswagen's navigation. So if you don't have a phone signal, or if you're not using your phone, you can utilize Volkswagen's navigation map. There you go. So you'd have Volkswagen's navigation. But if you're familiar and comfortable with your Apple navigation, then you can go back to here, go back to use Apple CarPlay, and utilize your Apple navigation and go wherever you want to go for that. And you're just like, boom, you're heading to your destination there. Within your maps, within your Apple Maps, you can from here, you've got your distance to, you've got your time of arrival, how long it's going to take you to get there, and how many miles away it is. You can push this up here. You could add a stop, so we could find a gas station along the way. We don't need a gas station though, because we're in an ID4, but maybe we need a Circle K. So we can add that stop, and there you go. If you push this up here, we can share an ETA with somebody. Right there, you can share an ETA with the last people that I texted. Bring this up here. You could report some things to, you can report something to the map so that other people will see it. So lots of good options there. What do we have over here? If we push up here on the turns, nothing happens here. What is this little thing here? So that brings it to, now we have north is up. And then if you push this again, it's a heads up display so that the direction you're heading is up. This turns your voice on and off. You get just alerts. You've got...
Audio is set to alerts only. Only important instructions will be announced. Turn left, then turn right.
So you have either just setting it to alerts or you have navigation full on there. This can move your screen. You can recenter like that. You can also zoom in and out, or you can push resume to get back where you were. So that's pretty much a good go through of all of the buttons on the navigation. Let's go back to here. Now we've got Google Maps, so we can use Google Maps instead of Apple Maps. So you've got a little bit different thing there. If you prefer Google Maps, you can hit search. We could go to work from here, and we could hit start. So we've got that. Again, it works similar to Apple Maps, but Google's got its own things. And you've got some settings over here. So that'll give you where you're going. We can add more routes, just like we did with Apple Maps. Let's exit. And we've also got the settings up here, which we've got route options, avoid highways, avoid tolls, avoid ferries. We've got map colors, automatic day and setting and night, basically. We've got satellite map. So we've got Google Earth on our maps there. That's pretty cool. We've got traffic. So that'll actually show you the traffic. So that's pretty cool. So all these green here on I-5 means the traffic is good there. If we actually had a red, then we could see that. North up again, or having the direction you're heading up. And then you've got your volume. So now you can actually adjust it with
navigation volume with your car's controls, but only when navigation is speaking.
There you go. So that's all of your Google settings on your Apple CarPlay. Let's go back to, here is a heads up display like that. Change north up. Got like that. So you can go from 3D to just 2D like that. Let's go back to here.
Thanks for watching another Mac Volkswagen video. See us on the web at macvolkswagen.com. Stop by at 1920 Northeast 99 West, McMinnville, Oregon. or give us a call, 877-721-5794. Mack Volkswagen, in the heart of wine country.